Time frames are a set period of time which covers when you want certain events to occur, such as our phone to ring. To view and create time frames, navigate to the Time Frames tab on the Office Manager portal. Then click Add Time Frame. Select a name for your time frame, and please note that this cannot be changed once the rule has been created. Next, select when the time frame should be in effect. Always applies to all hours of every day, 24/7, 365. Days of a week and times allows you to select specific days of the week and hours the time frame will take effect. When selecting a day, a blue bar appears showing when the time frame will be in effect. Slide the ends of the blue bar to adjust the selected time. You can add a break within this time frame by clicking the plus button. Another blue bar will appear representing when the time frame will take effect. Let's say on Mondays you take an hour from 12 to 1 p.m. for lunch or a team meeting. After setting the time frame for each day, click Save. Selecting specific dates or ranges will allow you to configure a time frame to be in effect for certain days, such as holidays. From the drop-down, use the calendar to choose the date to start the time frame. Use the sliders to select the hour and minute for the time frame to take effect. Do the same for the end date and time. Clicking the plus button will allow you to add more date ranges for this time frame. Click Save. Now you can see the time frames that you have set up. Hover over the eye to see the hours of effect. If you need to make changes, click the pencil icon to edit and the red X to delete. Once you've created a time frame, you can then apply it to answering rules. We create time frames with different time and date ranges so we can apply them to answering rules, which will allow you to control how calls are routed depending on the time of day the call is received. If a call comes in when a time frame is in effect, the answering rule will route the call accordingly. If a call comes in outside of when a time frame is in effect, it will continue down the list of answering rules until it finds an answering rule with the time frame currently in effect.